Hi everyone, welcome to day 21 of our 21-day vlog challenge. I'm so happy that we completed 21 days of daily vlogging, and I took it as a challenge and now I've completed it. I'm so happy, I'm so glad for all your love and support. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to my channel. It wouldn't have been possible without all your love and support. Thank you. Apart from that, we have a special surprise for all of you. So stay with us until the very end and you will see it soon. So let's see how the day goes. That's it. That has become my signature um, what dialogue now. Let's see how the day goes. So, the surprise that I was telling you guys about is we are going to Puri right now with mom, Masi, and Pai. So, let's go, and I'm going to show you everything in Puri temple, Jagannath temple, and some other places that are very famous. So, let's go. If we ignore the mess around, this is how I look. Outfit of the day. Oh, everything is matching. Matching. So our first stop was Ma Bhattamangala temple, which is where pilgrims and travelers have to go before they visit Sri Kshetra. This is just us simply being on the cabs and car, and us on the Toto on our way to the temple, and through the streets we could see the Jagannath temple very close to us, and it was just pure and magical at that moment, seeing the temple, the flags. It was beautiful, and here we are just going to keep our shoes and mobile phones before we enter the temple. दर्शन के बाद का हालत टायर्ड. देखिए थके हारे लोग, पूरा थके हारे. बड़ा अच्छा दर्शन किया. अच्छा दर्शन किया. बारिश हो रही है. बाय गाइस. We couldn't take our eyes off from the beautiful views of the temple, and here we are on the Toto again, going back to near our parking place. These are all the street vendors, small business people who sell small things. So this is where Puri Gajapati Maharaj Ji lives. This is his house. And this is the Singhadwara, where you will find a lot of places to eat, to shop, to stay. And it's beautiful. You will see everywhere there are boards which are made of brown and white color. अनुभूति केमती थिला? बहुत भिड़ दर्शन भल कले. बहुत भल दर्शन. आमर भी बहुत भल दर्शन हिच. So here we were on our car and heading towards Cuttack. It was raining as well. It took us a lot of time, but on our way back we had a bit of dinner. Hi guys, guys, I'm really sorry that I was not able to post this on time, क्योंकि हम अभी जस्ट अभी 1 बज रहे हैं रात के. वी रीच्ड होम सुबह के दोपहर के 2 बजे से लेके 1 बजे के रात के 1 बजे पकड़ लीजिए. ऑलमोस्ट 11-12 आवर्स हम बाहर थे. और अभी घर आए, थोड़ा फ्रेश होकर मैं इधर बैठी हूँ. आई जस्ट थॉट कि लेट मी जस्ट शेयर एवरीथिंग विथ यू. वी हैव द बेस्ट दर्शन, बहुत अच्छा दर्शन था. यू हैव टू बी वेरी 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 वेल प्रिपेयर्ड मेंटली कि आपको चलना नहीं है, आपको धक्का खा खा के आगे जाना है. तो मेरे पैर में लिटरली 5-6 लोग ऐसे ही चढ़ गए, मम्मी के, मासी के. एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक यू नो जैम पैक्ड. ऐसा आपका फेस भी ऐसा हो जाएगा. Odia people know how difficult it is, especially if you go on a Saturday, Sunday. Today was Saturday and we went there, तो प्रॉब्लम हुआ. बट या वी हैड अ वेरी 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 गुड दर्शन. बहुत अच्छे से दर्शन दिया है हमें जगह ने, आर जगन्नाथ. एंड या दैट्स ऑल. वी गॉट महाप्रसाद एज वेल. बस उतना ही. एंड rest everything I've shared in the entire video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer it. Apart from that, I felt blessed that on my 21st challenge मेरा जब ख़त्म हुआ, we went to take a darshan of Lord Jagannath. I was very very happy about it. And yeah, that was my entire day pretty much. I hope you guys have enjoyed all these 21 days of my vlogging. I've put effort somewhere. I've not put so much of effort. So you know, ups and downs ऐसा 19-20 बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है. But I hope मैक्सिमम चीज़ें आप लोगों ने एंजॉय की होंगी. यू मस्ट हैव लव्ड इट. एंड येस, आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स in my DMs actually, and personally people have told me ki do not stop doing this vlog. So I might as well continue, and if I do, you will see this, you will see the vlog, upcoming vlogs. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm so sorry we couldn't cut a pastry, but उससे भी बेस्ट चीज़ हमने की है, जो है जगन्नाथ टेम्पल विज़िट करके जगह का आशीर्वाद लिया, दर्शन किए बहुत अच्छे से, और खजा लाया. खजा, दैट्स the best thing that we did. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much. And tomorrow I might or might not see you with another day, another vlog. So thank you so much. But if I do, please watch it. Okay. Thank you so much for staying with me, for all your love and support. Bye.